Another one of those really short worksheets, this one on energy. Example of kinetic, potential, or radiant. You have to remember what the things are. Kinetic is energy of motion. So if I see something in motion, it's going to be kinetic. If I see something that is potential, that could be chemical potential, or it could be something that has potential energy because it's sitting up waiting to fall. Like this pen, for example, has potential energy because I can drop it, right, and it will fall. And radiant energy would be something like the sun or a light or your computer screen or something like that that's giving off energy. So let's look at these things. A fly ball in baseball. Well, typically it has kinetic energy, right? But if you think of a fly ball and it's been hit this way, and it's going to come down over here, right? It has kinetic energy because it's moving this way. It has kinetic energy because it's moving up. It has kinetic energy when it's moving down. What happens when it's sitting here? It's still moving. It's still moving in this direction, but it's no longer moving up or down. So here it also has potential energy because it could fall. So some of these answers that you're going to see over here have two possible answers. This has kinetic energy, but it also has potential energy. All right, how about a headlight on a car shining brightly? Well, the concept here is the headlight is radiant energy. All right, I'm not telling you whether the car is moving or not. So, but the energy coming from the headlight, the concept there is it's radiant energy. Right? How about a burning match? Well, the part that is currently burning is giving off radiant energy. It's radiating heat, it's radiating light. However, there's still part of the match that hasn't burned, so that has potential energy. So there are actually two types of energy that you're seeing here. How about a blueberry muffin? Well, assuming someone didn't throw it at you, meaning it would have kinetic energy, this has potential energy. It has chemical potential energy, which when you eat it, it will give you energy. Gasoline, similarly, it has potential energy because when you burn it, it will give you energy back. The television, when you're watching it, it has radiant energy. Again, we're assuming that these things are sitting still. No one's throwing the television at you. It's not moving. Okay. So the television has radiant energy because it is on and you're watching it. Right? A boxcar derby car coasting to the finish line. I intentionally said coasting. Right? So because it's coasting, it has some kinetic energy. Now, if it's on a hill, then it has potential energy because it's further up the hill, it's coming down the hill. If it's up here, even though it's moving down with kinetic energy, it has potential energy because it has a long way to go down, right? Which is going to give you energy. A piece of coal, assuming it's not burning right now, which would be giving you heat energy and light energy, which is radiant. Assuming it's just sitting there as a black piece of coal, right? It has chemical potential energy. It can give you energy. An arrow in flight, well, clearly that's supposed to be kinetic. Because it's in flight, it's moving. And a rock perched precariously on a hill. Well, that means it can fall at any moment, so it has potential energy. Right now it's not moving, so it has no kinetic energy, and a rock is not radiating light. Okay? That's it. If you have questions, see me in class, and have a great day. Bye.